How to be confident doing phone sales. Boy. All right, how to be confident doing phone sales. Don't forget to like, subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to be more confident when you're trying to close people over the phone. Number one, you need more reps. Most of the shit that everybody talks about, it's like, well, you need to go out and do it a lot more so you can like actually get used to it. If you aren't used to it and you aren't doing it a lot, then you're not going to get very good. And so when I first started, like I was cold calling for 8 hours a day for several months. And that's what got me comfortable doing actual phone sales, is being on the phone consistently and having those conversations. And then educating yourself on whatever product or service you are selling. So when I first got started cold calling, it was real estate. And so I knew the jargon and I was comfortable and I could have those conversations. And yeah, like you're talking to people and whatever. But like, so if you're cold calling, I would say you experiment a lot on like the people who you know aren't going to do stuff with. Try those new tactics. Try those new one-liners. Just try whatever shit you can so that way you can work it out almost like a comedy bit. And that is the number one way to get more confident. It's more reps. And then as you're doing it, you're going to find what style works for you, and that is going to help you out significantly. But I'm a big fan of like Homeowner. He's like, bro, like a lot of sales books aren't going to help you. I don't think there's a lot of things that, at least for me, nothing. I didn't start reading about sales until I got into sales, like at all. And like being confident over the phone, I guess I heard my parents on the phone all the time growing up, but then eventually you just need to go get your face kicked in, know what you're used to, know you're going to fail, and keep on pushing. I know it's like, oh, yeah, it's a rah-rah video, and it's not giving me any tactical tips. Like the tactical tip is commit to something for 8 hours a day, get your face kicked in commit to a year, commit to getting your face kicked in for a year, and get better every day. And I promise you'll be more confident on the phone because you've done it a lot of times and you've encountered all the things you need to. The only other thing would be is like having a mentor who can like coach you up. Like those are the really only two things. If you have a better way of getting confident on the phone, please leave a comment so like I'll talk about it more. If like you have a really good idea, like hell yeah, bro, that's shit. And if you're a woman, like I'm sorry, I call everybody bro, but that's the shit. If you have a good comment, I'd love to hear it. What other advice do you have to offer? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.